Realme X50 Pro 5G. Realme X50 Pro 5G is set to debut with a 90Hz Super AMOLED display, a teaser image posted by Realme revealed on Friday. The new development comes just hours after the Chinese company announced 65W Super Dart charge support on the new flagship. The Realme X50 Pro 5G, which would be the upgrade to the existing Realme X50 5G, was initially planned to debut at MWC 2020 in Barcelona. However, the original launch plan was changed due to the cancellation of the MWC. The Realme X50 Pro 5G will now debut through an online launch event that will be streamed through Madrid. The latest teaser image was posted by the Realme Europe account on Twitter. It gives a glimpse at the Realme X50 Pro 5G and highlights the presence of the 90Hz Super AMOLED full screen. This is notably unlike the Realme X50 5G, which appears to be a watered-down version of the Realme X50 Pro 5G that has a 120Hz refresh rate. In addition to the refresh rate, the teaser image showcases the dual-hole punch selfie camera of the Realme X50 Pro 5G. It also suggests that the new Realme phone would come with a regular Super AMOLED panel, not a curved display that we get on competitors Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. A recent teaser posted by the Realme Europe Twitter account revealed 65W Super Dart charge fast charging technology on the Realme X50 Pro 5G. The new development would be an upgrade to the existing VOOC and Super VOOC charging technologies that Realme and its original parent company, Oppo, have deployed on their smartphones so far. Realme India CEO Madhav Sheth also took a dig at Xiaomi by exhibiting the 65W technology as a superior option against the 50W fast charging available on the Mi 10 Pro. The Realme X50 Pro 5G launch is taking place on February 24th. It will be conducted through an online stream. Realme X50 Pro 5G smartphone price is likely to be $684.56, 48,999 rupees. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.